Alright, let me show you guys what I'm making here. It's very hot. I'm doing a recipe for a long grain wild rice, bay leaf, thyme, flavor infused garlic, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to have to name this, but it's mushroom rice. That is absolutely delicious. It smells phenomenal, and I can't wait for you guys to try this. So good. I'm making it with my pork chops. Look at that. Look at that. Yummies. So I just filmed an absolutely amazing wild rice and mushroom, and I infused basil, or I'm sorry, bay leaves, garlic, and thyme in it. Look at that. You can't even see it. This is not all I made. I made more, but I've put it in a covered bowl for later because I'm also making pork chops with it for dinner. I'll show you how delicious and amazing it is. I can't tell you how good. The wild rice gives it that woodsy, nutty type flavor, and it's coupled with the chicken stock, the garlic, the mushrooms, the onions. I put some a couple of the green onions in it. Chicken stock, did I tell you that? Thyme, bay leaf. This is probably the best rice recipe you'll ever eat. I'm not kidding. So in love with it. I guess this little short video called a little wild rice mukbang. I have to eat. So I am making chipped beef and gravy today for dinner, or brunch, whatever you want to call it. We eat early on Saturdays. Normally through the week we eat about 6:30, but on Saturdays it's more like a brunch. But I've got my budding original beef here. That's what I used. And this is what I make my chipped beef and gravy with. It is so good. I'm making biscuits and mashed potatoes and corn and green beans. I was going to make some shells and cheese, but they said they didn't want that, so this is going to be good. I like to put a lot of this in here, and I will be sharing the recipe with you guys today for this. Because I put it on here before, and I put it up on Instagram, and people were wanting a recipe for it, so I will do the recipe for that today. But I just kind of chop this really small. Kind of like breakfast gravy. It's really easy to make, but I like to add a little bit of chicken stock to mine. It makes it so much better. Let me show you my green beans I got going on over here. A lot of people don't like canned green beans, but you know what? If you know how to make them, They're good. Look at that. I got some green beans going on there and my nice new kitchenware, kitchen stuff. And what I put in there is a little bit of bacon grease and some onion flakes and some onion salt, and they are going to be off the chain. Alright, I want you guys to look what I made for dinner. I've got biscuits and corn, chipped beef and gravy, I've got some green beans going on back there, and mashed potatoes. We are ready for this. I started to call it a hurricane. It's not a hurricane. It's a snowstorm. Yummy. It is what it is. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.